Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make hard-boiled eggs in the oven. First, preheat your oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. This ensures even cooking and helps prevent cracking. Next, carefully place each egg into a muffin tin cup. This simple step keeps them from rolling around and breaking during the baking process. Using large eggs is also recommended for consistent results and easier peeling later on. Once your oven is preheated and the eggs are in their muffin cups, it's time to bake. Place the muffin tin into the oven and bake for 25 to 30 minutes. This time frame typically yields a firm, perfectly cooked yolk. If you prefer a slightly softer or harder yolk, you can adjust the baking time by a few minutes. Remember not to overcrowd your oven for best results. After baking, immediately transfer your hot eggs into an ice bath. This crucial step stops the cooking process and helps prevent that greenish ring around the yolk. Let them cool in the ice bath for at least 10 minutes. Once cooled, gently tap and roll each egg on a hard surface to crack the shell. The ice bath makes the shells much easier to remove cleanly. Now that you have perfectly cooked hard-boiled eggs, let's talk about storage. If you've already peeled them, store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator. Unpeeled hard-boiled eggs can also be kept in the refrigerator for up to 1 week. They are a fantastic, protein-packed snack or addition to salads and other meals. Enjoy your delicious, oven-baked hard-boiled eggs.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.